welcome to our channel Freedom News Express. This is Ritu Agarwal and today I am very excited to show you a very special dish of South Gujarat, Ubadiyu. Right now we are standing on NH48. This is NH48. NH48 South Gujarat and the name of this place is Dungri. As we drive from Mumbai to Surat, along the roadside on NH48, you can see many stalls of this special dish called Ubadiyu. Today we have come to a very famous shop, the name of which is Babu Bhai Nu Ubadiyu. This shop is located in Dungri on NH48 South Gujarat. Here we can taste Ubadiyu made by Babu Bhai, who is very famous among the people of South Gujarat for making this dish. So let us meet Babu Bhai and see how this dish is made. नमस्कार बाबू भाई, केम छो?
हाँ, एकदम मजामा छो।
तो आज आप हमें बताएंगे कि ये उबाडियू किस तरह से बनाया जाता है?
हाँ, इसके लिए स्टार्ट करता हूँ। मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ इसके लिए। देख,
this is an earthen pot. As we can see, this ubadiyu is made in this earthen pot. ये हमने क्या डाला है इसके अंदर बाबू भाई?
उसको हम अजवाई कलर किलार बोलता है उसको।
क्या बोलता है?
बोलता है, किलार बोलता है उसको।
ओके।
दो नाम है उसको।
ठीक है। This earthen pot is filled with seasonal vegetables. The vegetables are introduced in the pot in layers. We are putting these vegetables
in नमक। नमक।
Okay. रोज नहीं लेना है।
ये मसाला वाली पापड़ी। इसको ऐसा करके मिला देने।
ओके, ये पापड़ी है?
हाँ, ये पापड़ी है। सब मसाला उसमें मिला दिया।
ओके।
ऐसे कर, सब ग्रीन मसाला।
ओके।
और उसमें डाल दिया। 2-3 बार डाल दो। ये आलू मटके में डालना पड़ेगा।
Okay. We can see that potatoes are being placed in the earthen pot. As earlier we said that the vegetables are introduced in the pot in layers. First of all, we had seen the beans was introduced in the pot, and now we can see the potatoes are getting into the pot.
ये
रतालू। ओके।
कटा के बाद रतालू डालने का। मसाला में मिक्स किया होगा।
The longing smell of Ubadiyu will definitely charm your wits. Now we can see the sweet potatoes.
ये शक्करकंद।
Now these are the sweet potatoes, also called as shakarkand, which are being placed inside this earthen pot.
पूरा डाल देंगे। उसके बाद पापड़ी डाल देने का। उसको फली बोलता है, पापड़ी बोलता है दोनों।
Again we can see that the pot is being stuffed with the beans, the papri, which we call in Gujarat.
इससे मुंह बंद कर देना।
Now this pot is getting sealed up with this exotic vegetable.
ऐसे लकड़ी इसमें लॉक कर देनी।
Now we can see that the vegetables are being
पकेगा कि नहीं
sealed.
पकेगा उस पर टेस्ट होएगा। इसके ऊपर रख देने का, जमीन पर रखिएगा।
Now the pot is sealed with leaves of aromatic plant. Now this pot is placed inverted and lit on fire.
मिट्टी लगाना पड़ेगा। क्रैक है, इसके लिए मिट्टी लगाना पड़ेगा उसको।
अच्छा, इसमें क्रैक ना हो इसलिए इसके आसपास आप मिट्टी लगा रहे हैं।
कुकर जैसा बनाना पड़ेगा।
ओके, कुकर जैसा।
वाकई नहीं निकलेगा
ये मिट्टी। अच्छा, now it is sealed in a better way so that there is no leakage in the pot. To avoid all the cracks, there was a coating of clay on it. Now this pot is placed inverted and lit on fire. As we can see that the biofuel like dung cakes, hay, wood is used here, and the pots get enough heat to cook its vegetable within. We can see the biofuel. So as we have seen that the earthen pot was filled with the seasonal vegetables. Now after getting cooked, the earthen pot has an exotic smell, the smoky smell, for which this dish is mainly famous for its exotic smell. The leaves which were placed inside the pots give it an aromatic smell. It's very probable that you will be soon sitting with a plate full of this delicacy along with a huge glass of chas, that is the buttermilk, which we always drink with this delicacy called ubadiyu. This delicacy is better enjoyed due to the earthen smell of the cooking pot. Now ubadiyu is cooked and is ready to eat. The vegetables, as we can see, are cooked. We can see various vegetables inside this ubadiyu. The potatoes, the sweet potatoes, the purple yam and the beans, which are cooked using biofuel. Ubadiyu is both healthy and tasty as no oil is used in making it. बाबू भाई, ये कौन से महीने से कौन से महीने तक आपका ubadiyu हम लोग टेस्ट कर सकते हैं?
सर्दी के मौसम से।
सर्दी के मौसम में।
दिवाली से होली तक चल रहेगा।
दिवाली से
दिवाली से स्टार्ट होता है, होली तक खत्म होता है।
दिवाली से होली तक ये ख़त्म होता है। और आप इसके बारे में क्या बताना चाहेंगे, इस डिश के बारे में? इसको किसके साथ खाया जाता है?
अकेला खा सकता है उसको, वो बड़ी छाछ के साथ अच्छा लगता है।
छाछ के साथ, बटर मिल्क।
बहुत टेस्टी है।
बहुत टेस्टी लगता है। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बाबू भाई, थैंक यू। Here we can see that the ubadiyu is ready to eat and is served with chutney, the green chutney. We can see the beans. We can see the beans, which is called papri in Gujarat. We can see the potatoes. The potatoes which are cooked. We can see the sweet potatoes and the purple yam. Wow. This is a healthy dish which is enjoyed in South Gujarat.